Good morning. So, in this measurement chapter, we have completed three lectures, and in last lecture, we have seen how to measure the different lengths. So, in which what is the indirect method of measurement as far as length or distance are concerned, that we have seen how to measure the distances of different astronomical bodies or how to measure the diameters of different planets. That method we have completed. Now here in today's lecture we have to see how to measure the small lengths and which devices are used to measure the small lengths. So today we are going to see or study this important device which is used to measure the smaller lengths. So this device is called as a vernier caliper. So here today we are going to study vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. So here this is the vernier caliper. You might have been observed. See here. So in order to measure the small lengths, there are different devices. One is a vernier caliper, another is a screw gauge. So today we have to study this vernier caliper. It will be useful there in your practical work also. While performing the practicals of physics and chemistry, you have to use this device to measure the different lengths or small diameters. And at the same time, from this chapter, sometime questions have been asked in NEET examination or in the JEE and CET examination also. In latest 2018, one question was asked in the NEET examination that was not depends upon vernier caliper, but it was depends upon next device that we are going to study, that is called screw gauge. How to measure the length. It means that question can be asked on this device also. So you have to use this device practically and you should know the method of measurement of different smaller length by using vernier caliper. So here I think no need to draw the figure because the device is there in my hand. This is vernier caliper. So remember that in vernier caliper, suppose we have to measure the length of this device, then this device can be held here in between that. There are different screws. By using that, we can move these jaws. Okay. If we have to measure the diameter of this, then we can hold this as like. See here. In this way also, we can measure the diameter of this. Okay. This is more accurate as compared to other scale like the meter scale or the feet scale. Now look at the general information of the device. It consists of two jaws. See here. This is the screw which is used to just tight the movable jaw. There are two jaws. This is called as a fixed jaw and this is called as a movable jaw. This is fixed and this is movable. In order to measure the internal diameters also, these upper jaws are used like that. See here. This is the method of measurement of internal diameter of any object like that. So there are two jaws in a vernier caliper. One is a fixed jaw and another is a movable jaw. And at the same time, there are two different scales on the vernier caliper. See here, as far as this fixed jaw is concerned, let us see here, you can observe there is also the small scale. Okay, so this is called as a main scale. This is called as a main scale. And on the movable jaw, see here, on this movable jaw, there are very small lines, very small divisions on this. There are 10 divisions on movable jaw also. It is somewhat difficult to observe it. Let us here try to observe. On movable jaw also, there are some scales called as a vernier scale. So there are how many scales in vernier caliper? There are two scales in vernier caliper. See here. Number one is a main scale and number 2 is a vernier scale. So there are two different scales as far as vernier caliper is concerned. One is a main scale and another is a vernier scale. So main scale is just as like our meter scale, and here on main scale there are markings of centimeter also and millimeter also. See here. So in main scale centimeter divisions are there and millimeter divisions are also there. Remember? And on vernier scale there are 10 divisions. There are 10 divisions and distance between two consecutive divisions on vernier scale is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Remember this one important. On main scale is just like the meter scale. There are centimeter divisions are also, millimeter divisions are also. It means that the distance between two consecutive division is, smaller division is 1 millimeter. See here, in case of main scale, distance between two consecutive division is equal to 1 millimeter. See here. And on vernier scale there are 10 divisions and distance between two consecutive division on vernier scale is 0.9 millimeter. Have you got? See here. How to measure the length, that we have to see later. First, try to introduce with the device. This is very important device. Okay. So there are two scales on the vernier caliper. One is main scale, another is a vernier scale. On main scale, centimeter division, millimeter divisions are there. Distance between two consecutive division is 1 millimeter. In vernier scale, only 10 divisions are there. Distance between two consecutive division on vernier scale is 0.9 millimeter. Now next we have to study what is meant by least count. LC. What is meant by least count of the device? As far as any measuring device is concerned, least count means minimum possible distance we can measure accurately with the help of that device is called as a least count. For example, we know in case of meter scale there are centimeter divisions are there and there are millimeter divisions are there. Means what is the least count of meter scale? This is 1 millimeter, because we can measure any distance by using meter scale up to millimeter level. We can't measure 0.5 millimeter or 0.7 millimeter or 0.9 millimeter by using the meter scale. But we can measure such a small distance by using the vernier caliper. Remember? So what is meant by least count? The minimum possible distance or length that we can measure by that device accurately is called least count. So here, how to define the least count of vernier caliper mathematically? See here. So mathematically it is defined as it is distance between two consecutive divisions on main scale divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. Remember? Look at the formula for least count. Least count is defined as the ratio of distance between two consecutive divisions on main scale to the total number of divisions on vernier scale. So we have seen what is the distance between two consecutive divisions on main scale. It is 1 millimeter, means 1 millimeter divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. We have seen there are 10 divisions, divided by 10 means 0.1 millimeter. So what is the least count of vernier caliper? It is 0.1 millimeter, or we can say 0.01 centimeter. Remember this. This is very important. What is exactly the least count of the vernier caliper? It has been given here. It is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Means by using the vernier caliper, we can measure this distance 0.1 millimeter distance accurately, which is impossible by using the meter scale or feet scale. Have you got? So this is about the least count of the device. Now another one. See here. If we close these two jaws, okay, then here it has been observed that 0th division on main scale is exactly matched with the first division on vernier scale. See here, look at this. For example, this is main scale. This is main scale on the fixed jaw, like that. So there are different divisions. For example, this is 0. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, like that. And there are 10 divisions. This is 0th line. This is first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See here. 0, 1. This is the scale on main scale. Now vernier scale. Vernier scale is printed on this movable jaw. Okay. Let us see here. This is the movable jaw. See here. Look at this. And on movable jaw also there is a scale. Like that. Here this is first division. Okay, and there are different divisions on it. How many divisions are there? 10 divisions. Like that. This is main scale and this is vernier scale. So if we close these two jaws, then if the device is more accurate, then this first line of the vernier scale exactly match with the 0th line of the main scale. And if these two lines match with each other, then here error in the device is considered as 0. Remember, before measuring the actual length, we should know what is meant by error in vernier scale. So if first line of vernier scale is matched with 0th line of main scale, then error in the device is 0. This is the first condition. What is second condition? Suppose by using that vernier caliper, again and again, what happen? Some error may be introduced in this device because there may be wear and tear. It is a metal part. So sometime what happen? This first line of vernier scale is appear on left hand side of the main scale. How many divisions on left hand scale, that we have to see later. But if this first line on vernier scale is appear on left hand side, see here, if first line on vernier scale is appear on left hand side of 0th line on main scale. 0th line of main scale, then in this case error is considered as negative. Error is considered as negative. Let us see here. Look at the condition. How to calculate error? That is next part. Before that, you should know what is 0 error, what is negative error, what is positive error. If first line of vernier scale match with the 0th line of main scale, error is 0. If first line on vernier scale is appear on left hand side of the 0th line on main scale, then error is negative. Remember. And second one, if this first line on vernier scale is appear on right hand side of the 0th line of main scale. See here. If first line on vernier scale is appear on right hand side of zeroth line on main scale, then error is positive. Then question arises, how to measure that error, how to calculate that error. Suppose this is the device, and let it is not a zero error device. But if first line is on left hand side or maybe on the right hand side. So in this case, see, look at this. See here, that first line may be on the left hand side or maybe on the right hand side of the 0 on main scale. But among that 10 lines on vernier scale, which line is exactly matching with any one of the line on main scale? For example, if third line on vernier scale is matching with any one of the line on the main scale, then error can be calculated as, in this case, error can be calculated at third division means 3 into least count, that is 3 into 0.01 centimeter, means error is 0.03 centimeter. If it is on left hand side, it will be minus 0.03. If it is on the right hand side, it will be plus 0.03. Have you got? How to calculate the error? Once again I am going to tell. If first line on vernier scale may be on LHS or RHS of the 0 on the main scale, but if third line of vernier scale is exactly matched with any one of the line on main scale, see which lines are matching. Okay, because these are just coinciding lines. Which line is matching? If the jaws are closed, which line is matching exactly? If third line is matching exactly, then error equal to 3 into this count, that is 3 into 0.01 centimeter or 0.03 centimeter. Is it clear? This is the method of calculation of error. Now next, what is the formula to measure the length? What is the formula to measure the length? Okay, or to measure the diameter or any other dimension. So formula is any length or any diameter, any dimension is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading minus error. See, this is the important formula. Only one formula we have to use as far as vernier caliper is concerned. How to measure the length or how to measure the diameter? It is equal to MSR. MSR means main scale reading plus vernier scale reading minus error. So question arises, what is exactly the main scale reading? Okay, what is exactly the vernier scale reading and what is error? So error we have already calculated. Now let us hear what is MSR, main scale reading, and here what is the vernier scale reading. See here, after holding that device, holding that object in the jaws like that, okay, lock the position of the jaws and see here what is the main scale reading. Main scale reading means what is the reading on main scale that we are observing here. Let us see here. So suppose here that reading is observed at 1 centimeter. Main scale reading means here we can say MSR. MSR is equal to 1 centimeter. At the same time, see here, look at the matching of vernier scale and main scale. Which division is matching exactly with each other? See here. Which division is matching exactly? Here it has been observed that 7th division on the vernier scale is matching exactly with the corresponding lines on main scale. Means what is VSR? VSR equal to 7 into least count. 7th division is matching. Means it is equal to 7 into 0.01 or that is 0.0 7 centimeter. Have you got? Main scale reading is 1 centimeter. Here vernier scale reading is 0.07 centimeter. Error is already calculated 0.03 centimeter. Put all these values here. Therefore, here length equal to, how much is the length? MSR means 1 plus 0.07. Okay. And it has been observed on the left hand side means minus. So minus of minus, how much? 0.03. So length equal to 1 plus 0.07 minus minus plus 0.03. So therefore it is equal to 1 plus 0.1. So length is 1.1 centimeter. See here, we have measured the diameter of this cap. How much? 1.1 centimeter. So this is the method of measuring the small lengths. How to measure the small lengths? See here. How to measure the long distances, that we have already seen. Now how to measure the small length. Okay. So this is very important device called as vernier caliper. Can you measure? Simple method. I have already explained the device. Okay. Now we are going to solve one problem. Depend upon this, so that you will get the idea how to measure the lengths accurately, more accurate than meter scale. Okay. See here. So, what is the numerical? Look at the question. While measuring diameter of a rod with vernier caliper of negative error of 3 divisions. It has been found that main scale reading is 2.2 centimeter and 5th division on vernier scale match accurately with main scale. Compute the diameter of rod. Look at the question. Look at the numerical. I have already told you such type of numericals have been asked so many times in the competitive examination. Okay, this is important in practical work also, and from that measurement chapter questions are also based upon this. So what is the numerical? While measuring diameter of a rod with vernier caliper of negative error. As far as problems are concerned, numericals are concerned, it are directly given negative error or positive error. But practically, you have to observe after locking this, whether that first division of vernier scale is on left hand side or right hand side of the 0 on main scale. Depending upon that, you have to decide whether it is negative error or positive error. So here it has directly given negative error of 3 division. It has been found that MSR, main scale reading is 2.2 centimeter and 5th division on vernier scale match accurately with the main scale, compute the diameter. Now, you should know what is the formula. Formula is there, it is always fixed. It is MSR plus VSR minus error. Okay. But here, what is MSR? It is directly given in centimeter. It is 2.2 centimeter. What is VSR? VSR, here it is given fifth division is matching, means it is 5 into least count. Therefore, it is 5 into 0.01, means 0.05 centimeter. It is VSR. And what is the error? So, error is negative. So, minus, how to calculate? Error of 3 division means it is 3 into 0.01 centimeter minus 0.03 centimeter. This is error. So put all these values in that formula. Therefore, diameter of the rod is 2.2 plus 0.05 minus of minus 0.03. So that is equal to 2.2 plus 0.05 plus 0.03. So that is 2.2 plus 0.08. So that is 2.28 centimeter. This is the answer. Any doubt? See here, how to measure the length by using vernier caliper. Very interesting, and this is also important in our day-to-day life, because by using the device we can measure the length accurately. Any doubt? Okay, so I think this is enough for this lecture. Now in next lecture we have to study another device that is called as screw gauge, which is more accurate than vernier caliper. Okay, thank you.